Hello, hello, it's Michelle here from onlinewithmichelle.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link your Facebook fan page or your business page to your personal profile. And I'm going to show you how to put it in a place that's super easy to spot, and it's going to be a great way for people who are checking you out to learn more about your business. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on Facebook and open it up. It should take me to my personal profile or my news feed. So I'm going to tap on my face here to take me to my news feed. And here's my news feed, my personal wall, okay? And as you scroll down, I have my bio filled out, and then I have right here at the very top, I have, get online tips and strategies at Online with Michelle Grigsby. And if you tap on that, from your mobile, this is what it would look like. So, you'll be able to read my short bio, and then you can click view page to view my page and to like my page. But let me show you how I do that. So I'm going to go back, and this is all you do. You're going to click, you're going to click edit details. So scroll down just a little bit, click edit details. And then I've already got this here, but you know what I'm going to do is, and here's another thing too, if you're currently working at another company, I would not show it, okay? You want to send people to your fan page. So, for instance, if I didn't want to show it, I could just hit that check mark, and now it's not going to show. See, that won't show an intro, okay? But I do want to show that. But since you don't have one created yet, I'm going to click add work, okay? So click add work. And this is really important. You're first going to start right here. Where did you work? And you're going to tap on that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tap on it again, and you're going to start typing the name of your fan page. So mine is Online with Michelle Grigsby. Okay, and it pulled it up. So I'm going to tap on it. And what it just did is it populated and it added my fan page so that it will be clickable. And then a position of this, the position is where I have that call to action, and emojis are really powerful. So I'm going to add this emoji, and then I'm going to say, give them a call to action. People need to be told what to do. So get access to my online marketing tips, just to be really quick. Okay. And then I'm going to say here, and then I have a space, and then I'm going to use, okay, so do you see what I did? I used a couple emojis, get access to my online marketing tips here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap city and town. You need to do this, put in your city, and so I'm going to tap on it again, and I'm going to start typing in Kansas City. Okay, you have to have this on here, okay? So Kansas City, and then description, I don't think is going to show up, but just for the fun of it, visit my fan page, but I don't think that's going to show up. Visit my fan page, and then also the date, whatever the date is. I started my fan page in 2013, and you want to make sure that you leave it present, okay? Because when you do, it's going to be at the very top, okay? And then, of course, you want to make sure that you say I currently work here. And then I am, up here, let me tap on this again real quick. I'm going to say demo so that I will show you so it doesn't look exactly the same. Demo, okay. And you want to make sure that says present, make sure it says currently working here, make sure that it's public. So if you tap on that, let me get out of that. So if you tap on that, you can set up that only your friends will see it, but you want everybody to see it. You're in business, right? So make sure that's public, and then you save it. Oops, do you see what I did? I accidentally tapped that. All right, so now what you do is you just save it. All right, so it's not pulling out my emojis. Oops, hold on. All right, so let's go back and see if it shows it, because I did say that I am currently working there. There it is, but look at that. It did not pull out my emojis. It didn't take my emojis, which is really interesting. I'm going to look and see if it did on my phone or on my laptop. No, it didn't. So that's interesting. All right, so, but let's see if it works, okay? So I'm going to tap on that. There it is. So it's clickable, and I did give them a call to action, right? Which is really important, but it didn't take my emojis. So I'm wondering why it didn't do that. Now, when I did this up here, that was using my laptop. So, so let's go ahead and change that, at least for now, right there. So so to edit something, you're going to see it, you're going to click on the little pencil icon. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tap on that. I'm just going to get rid of that funky looking, I'm going to get rid of that funky looking thing. And then maybe the key is you just want to try to, you try to grab their attention, right? So you know what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make it a little arrow. So I'm going to do dash, 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 and then boom, boom. All right, let's see what that looks like. Save. Now, there we go. Save. Always save your work. Save. All right, so now I'm going to flick it down to refresh. So here, obviously you wouldn't have demo on there, but you can get access to my online marketing, whatever your business is. The reason why I have get access to my online marketing tips is because my tips and strategies, okay? I might change that even to be more specific, I help network marketers find leads online, get access, learn more by visiting my fan page. Whatever you want to do, just don't make it be too long, but a quick call to action. Not sure why it didn't use the emojis, but hey, at least now you know how to link your fan page and utilize, like the little arrow that I showed you. And then if you can actually, if it will accept it for you, then fantastic. Because emojis are powerful. But I hope you got value from that. And yeah, so right, guys, we will chat with you later. Bye.